Hello everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I hope you're all well on this very cloudy and gloomy day, which I love because it's very cool. Yesterday was a nightmare. I was sweating buckets. So anyway, something exciting. Look at this. I've subscribed back to Scrawlrbox. I think I stopped doing it about a year ago. Not because I didn't I was getting a bit bored with it. I wanted to explore other subscription boxes, like I tried Witch Casket, Under the Rowan Trees, and other ones. Um, I've been really busy lately with gardening because I've got loads of new hobbies now. So I haven't got really much time for art. But what I found out when I stopped Scrawlrbox, I wasn't pushing myself, like I was doing art every day and like other crafty stuff every other day. But when I stopped Scrawlrbox, I just wasn't doing it. Whereas with Scrawlrbox, it gives you like a little project to do, doesn't it? And of course, the products, you'll use them well after you've received the box. So, and I missed it as well. So I just thought I'd subscribe, and I subscribed for a whole year. Yeah. Because you get a discount, don't you? So I just thought I'd do it for a year. So anyway, stop gabbing, Johnny. Let's get into it. Right. Oh, but a disappointing thing. Not about Scrawlrbox, the box itself. I Because it's like it goes through your letterbox, doesn't it? It doesn't go through mine. The knock at the door this morning, and it was the postman handing me it, and I thought, well, why hasn't he put it through a letterbox? My letterbox is only small, so I'm gonna have to change the address again and get it delivered back round to my mum's, because I work a lot. And I don't want to leave it to chance that the postman might leave it behind a plant pot or with a neighbour. Might get stolen. Not that I'm accusing anyone, but Anyway, let's get into it. So, what month are we on to now? August. What date is it? Oh, is it the 10th? Oh God, I can't remember. Right, doesn't matter, does it? Let's get into it. Right. See if I can get it. Yeah, off in one, off in one, off in one. And there's no Ziggy because he's downstairs in the garden. Right. It feels heavy. Oh, acrylic markers. Well, say no more, I'll just get into it, right? It's I think I've heard of that brand, Artex. I'm not really fussed on acrylic markers, but, get back into art and everything, and I do love that. It looks more like paint, doesn't it, than acrylic markers. Very nice. Oh, and I missed this magazine, missed all the art in it. It was so inspiring. Oh, that's gorgeous. Isn't that nice? Oh, that's what I need. It's a bit of brightness in my life. Colour. This is by Cat Lewis. There's socials. She's an illustrator and designer with a love for fine liners, paint pens, adding playful characters to every piece she creates. Well, if you want to read that, yeah, I do like that. So this is white card. White card, so it's not marker paper. That's strange. Don't they normally give you marker paper when you get markers? Well, I've been out the game for a bit, so... Right, let's get into this. Oh, and the sweet as well. Oh, just as I start my diet. Oh, I love these. Chocolate limes. Oh, yes. Definitely be eating that one. Got hundreds of these, but They don't last forever, so they're always handy. Is this a grey one? 0.3. Oh, I hope that comes off. I hate these on the pen. And this is Uniballs, a gel pen. I think I've got a few of these. Is it not focusing? Uniball Signo Broad in bronze. Oh, do you like that colour? And a pencil. I've got hundreds of pencils, but I do love pencils. And that is in a 2B. And it's in a triangle shape. Is it triangle shape? I think so. Let's see. It's nice to hold anyway. I thought that was, you know, on some pencils where you get this like slip-proof thing here. Yeah, it's nice to hold. That's by Pentel. Oh, and of course the sticker. Let's get the tissue out the way. Where does that go? There. Right. So, should we open these up? I'll just get my trusty finger cutter. You know, it was a shame I didn't subscribe sooner. Because last month's box I quite liked. It was Inktense blocks. I mean, I've got some of them, but maybe it'll come up in a sale sometime. Oh, water-based and brush tape, bright and opaque, available on different surfaces. Oh yes, so that's why we got this. To live a creative life and capture art without limits. Oh, look, I need to open this again. See, that's what you get when you bite your nails. You can't open things. So you need to have this very unsafe trusty finger cutter. Right, let me see. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Nice and colourful. Come on, get out. Oh, and they feel nice in the hands, nice and chunky. Oh, look at the colours. Right. Artex acrylic markers, brush markers. Oh, they're my favourite. I love brush tip ones. Gorgeous. High adhesive. What does that mean? That it sticks to the paper. Recap after use, made in China. Yes, they are nice. And it says, art is a light that never dims, thank you. We would love you. Oh, well, yeah, there. I'll share you. There. If you're interested, click on. Why are you not focusing? Right. So, where's the book? Right. Let's look at the book. There they all are. Oh, well, they're very nice colours. I love that. The yellow. Smooth white card. A smooth paper surface ideal for paint pens and a variety of markers. Oh, well, that is brilliant. Yeah, it is a triangle grip. This pencil offers both comfortability and solid graphite lines. Fine lines, a fine liner for all your outlines and definition. I'll do a swatch, but it seems very nice. Is that black or like my eyes? I thought it would be a grey, but sweet treat, ghost chili limes. Oh, I've never heard of them. Warning, contains spice. Oh, I don't like spicy stuff, but I will try it out. A crisp outer shell of zingy lime encases a wonderful chili chocolate centre. It's vegan, gelatin-free and gluten-free. I'm trying to go vegetarian. I'm eating a lot of vegetarian products, but I'm still onto the ham. Right, bronze effect. Add a pop of shimmery bronze with this shiny gel pearl. Good for outlines too. A soft The brush tip. A soft but sturdy brush tip. Bush tip. Oh my god, forget it. I'll skip that. Custom colours. A custom colour palette created by us just for you. And then scan that code for info on the prices and stuff. Can you see? Oh, see in that barcode it looks like an alien with 3 legs, 1 eye and 2 horns. Can you see it? Right, I'll go back to that. A soft but sturdy brush tip to get creative with. I don't know why that was causing problems there, but... Oh, is that Carmel? That looks like Carmel's work. Cat Lewis. Look at these things she does here. Oh, I love that. There is the artist. I'll read up on her later. Scrawler tips. Oh, look at that. That's why my art's really messy before I get into the main thing. Oh, well, it's good. Can you mix? Looks like you can mix them with water. Right. Deep dive using Artex paint markers. Yes. I just love messing about with water and stuff. Read that later. Artist advice. Oh, look at this. This was the 2 months ago style statement. Well, it's a good job I didn't get that box because I've got no style at all. Which is my favourite one? Oh, I love that. The crow. The snake, I love. I'm more for the animals. Oh, and that. A cockatoo, that's absolutely stunning. Yeah, and what I don't really like with do you know when people draw like things like this, the little characters and that, it's always like really pretty people and sparkly colours. I like doing angry faces and unhappy faces and things like that. More character, I think, but they're all lovely. Right, yes, more pretty. Oh, they're doing this now. Taurus, this is me. What's this? We can't read your horoscope, but we can have a little fun and tell you what art supply you would be based on your star sign, because you wouldn't want to know. Because who wouldn't want to know that? God, I'm terrible at reading today. Taurus, this is where I am. An indulgent, high-quality supply. Well, that is totally not me. With a luxurious finish, no. They can take their time with perfect Victorians who love the finer things in life. No, I love second-hand shops and things like that. I'm not into the finer things in life. Written in the stars. Oh, I think I've got a colouring book like that. Yes, I'll read all this later. Zodiac. That is the challenge. Well, I'll look forward to doing this. I'll just do a quick swatch now. Right, where is the pen? We're going closer for that. Right. Yes, it is a black. But I should have known because it's like black down here, isn't it? Yeah, just a fine liner. But I like fine liners, so... Yes. Right, and the pencil. Oh, it's nice that. I like that. And it's really lovely to hold. And then we've got this jelly roll pen. Just do it down here. Well, I love the feel of these. You just press lightly. Are very nice. Right. I suppose I should get some water, shouldn't I? Well, I've got the water, and that is it dry? Yeah, so I wonder if it'll still move with the water. No. Once it's dry, and it won't move. So you'll have to be quick. Right. Be better to put it in a pallet and then put the water on. Right. Be quick. There. I think I'll just put it in the pallet like it shows you in the magazine, because it leaves all that. I mean, if you're looking for that, fabulous. Oh, no, don't do that. Look what I've done. The paper's coming away because I'm fiddling around too much. Oh, look, and I've made a mess, as per usual. Right. Oh. The paper's coming up when I'm doing. So if I just go slowly. Can you see that? Because I was going quite erratic. The paper's pilling, but excuse my nails. But when you go slow, it's not. So slow and sure. Oh, I like this. Is it grey? I don't normally like grey either. Is it a grey? Where's the colours? No, it doesn't tell you the colours, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Right, try the yellow. Oh yes, I'm really loving yellow this month. I've planted Titan sunflowers in my garden, and they're just starting to bloom, and they're absolutely gorgeous. But some snails or slugs are attacking them. Is this just a white? Oh, it's I think it's like an ivory white, because look, you can still see it on the paper. Well, that'll be alright for highlights, won't it? And a black. Oh, this is satisfying. Very chunky. I'll let that dry, and then I'll just go over the top with the white. See if it shows up. And this is... oh, I thought it was going to be like a fleshy pink. Oh, very nice. Oh, the oranges. Oh, that's very satisfying. Isn't it funny how some colours are satisfying and some are not? And this is like a Is this a tan colour? And the last one, is it like a ruby red? Or a ruby red? Oh, like a purpley. I don't know, what colour would you say that was? Strange. Right, is that dry? Yeah, the black's dry. So where is the white? See if the white goes on it. I'm going to see if it goes on the other colours. I don't want to mess the nib up. Oh, it hasn't come off on the nib, has it? No, that's alright. I thought it would lift the black and mess all the nib up. Well, it does go over the black. It looks quite good. You go over a few times. Right, yes. Yeah, I think that looks alright. It reminds me of, do you know one of the gel pens? Not the gel pens, what is it? Like a Tipexy, that's what it reminds me of. I want to see what the... Oh, look. Well, that looks good, doesn't it? The red on the black. Oh, they're quite good on top of each other. Sometimes when you get pens and you try to do that, it just all goes all messes the nib up and just all blends in and looks a mess. Oh well, I'm definitely going to have fun with these. So, Zodiac, I'm going to just go away and do some sketches, ideas, and then I'll come back with another video and do the challenge. Anyway, it's really exciting, I can't wait. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, me blabbing on. Johnny signing out, see you, bye!